Welcome to English Podcast USA. Today we are talking about effective methods for practicing English to achieve fluency. Learning English is a long journey that requires patience, consistency, and smart practice. Many learners study grammar rules and memorize vocabulary for years, but still struggle to speak confidently. The reason is simple. Language learning is not only about knowledge. It is about daily use, active communication, and real-life exposure. To become fluent in English, learners must develop all four language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. They must also build vocabulary, improve pronunciation, understand grammar naturally, and create habits that make English a part of everyday life. This guide explains many effective methods for practicing English. Each method is designed to help learners improve naturally and confidently. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, these techniques can help you become fluent over time. 1. Build a daily English habit. The most important factor in learning English is consistency. Studying English once a week for several hours is less effective than practicing every day for a short time. Why daily practice matters. Language learning is similar to exercising. If you practice regularly, your brain becomes stronger in that language. Daily exposure helps your memory retain vocabulary, grammar patterns, and pronunciation. How to create a daily habit. Study at the same time every day. Practice at least 30 minutes daily. Use English in small activities throughout the day. Keep a notebook for new words and expressions. Set simple weekly goals. Example daily routine. Morning. Listen to an English podcast for 15 minutes. Read one short article. Afternoon. Learn 10 new vocabulary words. Write 5 example sentences. Evening. Watch an English video. Speak English for 10 minutes. Small daily actions create huge progress over time. 2. Improve listening skills. Listening is one of the most important skills because it helps learners understand natural English pronunciation, rhythm, and vocabulary. Best listening methods. A. Listen to podcasts. Podcasts are excellent because they expose learners to real spoken English. Good podcast topics include news, stories, education, motivation, business, daily conversations. How to practice with podcasts. 1. Listen once without subtitles. 2. Listen again carefully. 3. Write down important phrases. 4. Repeat sentences aloud. Benefits. Better pronunciation. Improved vocabulary. Faster understanding. Better speaking confidence. B. Watch movies and TV shows. Movies help learners hear natural conversations and emotional expressions. Best types of shows for learners. Sitcoms, educational documentaries, interviews, family dramas, animated movies. Smart watching technique. Step 1. Watch with subtitles in English. Step 2. Pause and repeat difficult sentences. Step 3. Watch again without subtitles. This method trains the brain to understand spoken English naturally. C. Listen to audiobooks. Audiobooks improve listening and vocabulary at the same time. Advantages of audiobooks. Natural pronunciation. Better sentence structure. Improved concentration. Exposure to storytelling. Choose books that match your English level. 3. Practice speaking every day. Speaking is often the hardest skill for learners because many people fear making mistakes. However, mistakes are necessary for improvement. A. Speak alone. Speaking alone is powerful and free. Ways to practice alone. Describe your room in English. Talk about your day. Explain your plans. Retell stories. Speak in front of a mirror. Benefits. Increased confidence. Better fluency. Faster thinking in English. B. Shadowing technique. Shadowing means repeating speech immediately after hearing it. How to use shadowing. 1. Play a short English sentence. 2. Repeat instantly. 3. Copy pronunciation and rhythm. This method improves accent, pronunciation, fluency, listening speed. C. Language exchange. Find speaking partners online or offline. What to talk about. Hobbies, daily life, travel, work, education, news. Speaking with real people improves communication skills quickly. D. Record your voice. Many learners avoid hearing their own voice, but recording is extremely useful. How to practice. 1. Choose a topic. 2. Speak for 2 minutes. 3. Listen to your recording. 4. Identify mistakes. 5. Repeat again. This method helps learners notice pronunciation and grammar problems. 4. Read English every day. Reading improves vocabulary, grammar, spelling, and writing skills. A. Start with simple materials. Choose texts slightly above your current level. Good beginner materials. Short stories, children's books, news for learners, graded readers. B. Read actively. Active reading means interacting with the text. Active reading methods. Highlight new words. Write summaries. Ask questions. Guess meanings from context. C. Read different topics. Reading different subjects builds broader vocabulary. Topics include science, technology, history, sports, health, business, culture. D. Read aloud. Reading aloud improves pronunciation and speaking confidence. Benefits: better fluency, stronger pronunciation, improved speaking rhythm. 5. Improve writing skills. Writing helps learners organize thoughts and use grammar actively. A. Keep an English journal. Write about your day, goals, feelings, experiences, dreams. Even short entries improve writing ability. B. Write essays. Essay writing improves grammar and structure. Useful essay topics: importance of education, technology in modern life, social media effects, healthy lifestyle, environmental protection. C. Practice sentence building. Create sentences using new vocabulary. Example: a word, opportunity. Sentence: learning English creates many job opportunities. D. Use writing corrections. Ask teachers or online communities to correct your writing. Learning from mistakes is essential. 6. Expand vocabulary efficiently. Vocabulary is the foundation of communication. A. Learn words in context. Do not memorize isolated words. Instead of beautiful, learn she has a beautiful smile. Context helps memory. B. Learn phrases, not only words. Native speakers use phrases naturally. Examples: how's it going? Take your time. I'm looking forward to it. Learning phrases improves fluency faster. C. Use flashcards. Flashcards are effective for review. What to include: a word, meaning, example sentence, pronunciation. D. Review regularly. Without review, learners forget vocabulary quickly. Use weekly review, monthly review, repetition systems. 7. Master English pronunciation. Good pronunciation improves communication and confidence. A. Learn English sounds. English contains sounds that may not exist in your native language. Practice vowel sounds, th sound, R and L sounds. Stress patterns. B. Copy native speakers. Imitate pronunciation from movies, podcasts, interviews, YouTube videos. C. Practice word stress. English rhythm is very important. Examples: present noun, present verb. Incorrect stress can confuse listeners. 8. Learn grammar naturally. Grammar is important, but it should support communication, not stop it. A. Focus on common grammar. Important grammar topics: present tense, past tense, future tense, articles, prepositions, question forms. B. Learn through examples. Instead of memorizing rules only, study real sentences. Example: I have lived here for 5 years. Understanding usage is more effective. C. Practice grammar in real situations. Use grammar in conversations, writing, storytelling. Active use helps memory. 9. Think in English. Many learners translate from their native language before speaking. This slows communication. How to think in English. Name objects around you. Describe actions mentally. Plan your day in English. Count in English. Thinking directly in English increases fluency dramatically. 10. Use technology for learning. Modern technology makes language learning easier than ever. A. Language learning apps. Apps help with vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, listening. B. YouTube channels. Educational channels provide free lessons. Watch content about grammar, speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary. C. Online dictionaries. Good dictionaries provide definitions, pronunciation, example sentences. 11. Learn through stories. Stories help learners remember vocabulary and grammar naturally. Benefits of story-based learning: emotional connection, better memory, natural grammar exposure, improved imagination. How to practice: 1. Read a short story. 2. Listen to the audio version. 3. Retell the story. 4. Write a summary. This method develops all language skills together. 12. Practice with music. Songs improve pronunciation and listening. How to learn with songs: read lyrics, sing along, memorize lines, repeat difficult parts. Music also makes learning enjoyable. 13. Join English communities. Learning alone can become boring. Benefits of communities: motivation, feedback, speaking opportunities, friendship. Communities can be online groups, language clubs, social media communities. 14. Overcome fear of mistakes. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles in language learning. Important truth: fluent speakers also make mistakes. Mistakes are signs of progress because they show active use of the language. How to build confidence: speak slowly. Focus on communication. Celebrate improvement. Practice regularly. Confidence grows with experience. 15. Learn English through real life. The best learning happens when English becomes part of everyday life. Examples: change phone language to English. Follow English social media pages. Write shopping lists in English. Watch English news daily. Immersion increases exposure naturally. 16. Improve memory for language learning. Memory techniques help learners remember vocabulary longer. A. Association method. Connect new words to images or ideas. Example: apple, picture of an apple. B. Repetition. Repeated exposure strengthens memory. C. Use words immediately. Using new words in conversation helps long-term retention. 17. Set clear goals. Goals increase motivation. Examples of goals: learn 100 words this month. Finish one English book. Speak English daily for 15 minutes. Watch one movie weekly. Clear goals create direction. 18. Measure your progress. Tracking progress keeps motivation high. Ways to measure progress. Record speaking monthly. Compare old writing samples. Track vocabulary growth. Take practice tests. Improvement becomes visible over time. 19. Learn different types of English. English changes across regions. Major types: American English, British English, Australian English. Choose one main style first to avoid confusion. 20. Stay motivated. Motivation is essential for long-term success. Ways to stay motivated. Celebrate small achievements. Watch inspiring content. Study topics you enjoy. Remember your reasons for learning. 21. Build fluency step by step. Fluency does not happen overnight. Stages of fluency: beginner, basic vocabulary, simple sentences, intermediate, longer conversations, better understanding, advanced, natural communication, complex ideas. Each stage requires patience and practice. 22. Learn English for specific purposes. Different learners have different goals. English for work. Focus on emails, meetings, presentations. English for travel. Focus on directions, hotels, airports. English for academic study. Focus on essays, research, academic vocabulary. 23. Use the 80-20 rule. A small number of words are used most frequently. Learning common vocabulary first creates faster communication ability. Focus on common verbs, daily expressions, frequently used phrases. 24. Practice intensive and extensive learning. Intensive learning: deep study of short materials. Extensive learning: large amounts of easy reading and listening. Both methods are important. 25. Final advice for English learners. Learning English is a journey that requires dedication and patience. There is no perfect method for everyone, but successful learners usually share several habits. They practice consistently. They use English daily. They are not afraid of mistakes. They stay motivated. They enjoy the learning process. Fluency develops gradually through repeated exposure and real communication. Every small effort matters. Even 15 minutes of focused practice each day can produce impressive results over time. The key is not perfection. The key is continuous improvement. If you continue listening, speaking, reading, and writing regularly, your English skills will grow naturally and confidently.